Hello, it is Trinity and Tiana, and this is Trinity and Tiana, Tiana and Trinity live.
And John.
And John. John is there in the background. So hopefully some people can join us. If not, hopefully you'll catch us on the replay. But we are here. We're ready. Ready for the holidays. I've got my wine and TT holiday hair. Trinity has her rainbow hair. And her celery. Yes, and we are doing these lives every first Tuesday of each month. Just to say hello to everybody and catch up on what's going on live. And mustard. And to catch up on what's going on in the Addams family. And mustard. So Trinity is, how old are you? How old are you? Trinity is 3 years old now. She just
Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday.
Yes, and she knows her days of the week. She turned 3 on September of this year.
September. Mommy's October.
Yes, Mommy's birthday is October. I turned 37. So this year is our 20-year high school reunion. So I'm
11.
So I'm looking forward to hearing details about that.
Mommy's 12. Mommy's 13.
I'm 13.
Mommy's 13. And then 15.
So I'm just wondering if anybody's going to come in and say
17,
hello.
18.
Let's see, what have we done this year?
20.
Let's just share some things going on this year since this is the recap of 2021. So for us, we had some photo shoots.
Came the sun and dropped a lot of rain and the wind with it. Again.
When this out again?
Let us powder again.
Trinity has been talking up the storm. She helps me with
I'm
laundry.
too slimy.
It's slimy. Don't put it in your hair, sweetheart. So we have just been living our life. She's growing. She's learning a lot. So she can know, your alphabet.
H-I-J-K-L-N-O-P Q-R-S-T-U-V W-X-Y-N-Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you sing it?
Great job. All right. So I think she's ready.
1,
John.
2, 3.
So there's Trinity. She is off to something else.